This is a story of heparin, the subject of a 2008 investigation by the CDC. Heparin is an anticoagulant that's been in commercial production since the 1940s. It's used to prevent blood clotting and open heart surgeries and kidney dialysis, and to treat or prevent certain blood vessel, heart, or lung conditions. But back in 2007, there was an outbreak of unexpected reactions in patients undergoing dialysis who were given the drug. Most of these patients were given a specific brand of heparin manufactured by Baxter Healthcare, and it was this brand that was discovered to contain oversulfated chondroitin sulfate, or OSCS. Heparin is a drug derived mostly from animal tissues, almost exclusively from pigs. Back in 2007, a swine virus outbreak in China where Baxter's heparin was manufactured affected the supply of pigs. The price of pigs went up, and so did the price of heparin. OSCS, being 100 times cheaper, was used in its place. And because it was so similar to the real thing, it could mimic heparin and pass standard quality tests. But OSCS is not heparin. In human beings, OSCS causes hypotension, nausea, difficulty breathing, and other dangerous reactions. Hundreds of people reported serious reactions, and dozens of people died. This crisis, which the FDA believes was caused by profit-driving motivations, revealed a number of issues in the supply chain management and regulatory oversight. While Baxter's heparin is now theoretically much more quality controlled, there are a number of drugs on the market today that aren't. This is because some of the key underlying issues that brought about the heparin crisis still remain. We at MedShadow are bringing more stories like this to light. Our goal through our side effects awareness campaign is to bring context to these issues surrounding the safety and efficacy of medications, and inform you of what you need to know and what can be done. Follow the campaign link and sign our petition to help us get the FDA to address the backlog in medication lab inspections worldwide. We'd also love to hear from you. If you yourself have been directly impacted, share your story in the comments.